Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Royce of Wanderer. So hope all of you are doing fine. So today we are going to another destination. So we are going today to Bishnupur in West Bengal. So it's called the city of Mandir or the temples. It's beautiful sunny morning and Merry Christmas to all of you. So today we are here, me and Avik.
Hi.
And with us one more guest is here. So you can see. So she is...
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello everyone.
So she is Shrija. Shrija, can you tell your name?
My name is Srija and my good name is Trinanjana Sarkar.
Yes, she is Shrija. Her good name is Trinanjana Sarkar. So she is daughter of Avik's friend, and I think you have seen her in our previous vlog in Durga Puja. So we are together in our car. Actually, we are going in two cars. So Avik's friend is in another car, but she wanted to join us in our car. So she is here, and we are enjoying our ride. Right, Shrija?
A winter sunny day, after having our breakfast, we along with friends drove across the beautiful nature to Bishnupur, a city in the state of West Bengal. It is famous for its terracotta temples built by the Malla rulers, historic temples and Baluchuri saris.
I'm gonna show you my bangles.
Yeah, so beautiful. You wear those bangles and then show. Wear it and then show.
My mom brought me when I was 5 years old,
Okay. Your mom gave it to you?
and this is the one I wear. Two pink and one dark pink, and then two purple.
Oh, so nice.
I
so
wear
beautiful.
it at night and then slept with the bangles.
Okay.
One day I kicked when I was sleeping and didn't see. My mother was sleeping and I just kicked her nose.
Bishnupur is reasonably well connected via roads, so you can drive around 140 kilometers from the Kolkata airport, which takes roughly about 4 hours. For almost 1,000 years, Bishnupur was the capital of the Malla kings. The Malla rulers were followers of Vaishnavite Hinduism, which considers Lord Vishnu as the principal god and thus named their capital Bishnupur or Vishnupur.
Hello everyone, my name is Srija and I am in class 2. So I'm traveling to Bishnupur.
Where are you standing, Shrija?
I'm standing on a sand dune.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, I am enjoying on the sunroof and I can see the drone. It's so much fun.
So much fun.
Yes.
So we have reached Bishnupur Fair, and here is a way to go to Bishnupur Fair.
The Bishnupur Mela, where we are going as the first destination point, is held every year around the last week of December and lasts till the end of the year. There are a lot of shops around on the left hand side, on the right hand side. We still haven't reached the Mela, but I don't know how much we have to walk. But we have the taxis parked outside the barricade just behind me, and we have to walk a long distance to reach the Mela.
So Bishnupur is very famous for terracotta decorative items. So you will get all the terracotta decorative items for your house. So that is the specialty of Bishnupur. Usually they make it with mud, and that mud they burn it, and from that mud they make those jewelries and decorative items, and it's a wonderful thing. So if you are coming here in Bishnupur, you should experience this terracotta. And from this place they sell all over the West Bengal, not only West Bengal, outside West Bengal also they sell all these items.
So I'm standing in front of the all-model cannon. This was used for the first time in 17th century to ward off the Marathas. The Marathas attacked Vishnupur, and this was the first time when this cannon was used.
Swarnachuri and Baluchuri saris are very famous all around the world and are very costly and have detailed artwork. They have always been associated with Bengal's royalty, sign of aristocracy, and the attire of status. Swarnachuri or Baluchuri are ancient weaving crafts that has been since the time of Mallas, who were great patrons of art, handicraft, and culture. Each sari takes close to 7 days to complete by hand. Thread after thread is set in order. Vishnupur is the only place where authentic Baluchuri saris are produced. Baluchuri saris are decorated with resham threads, whereas Swarnachuri saris are weaved with golden and silver jerrys. These saris are made of pure silk. Mela is highly crowded. If you are coming at this time of the year, you should be prepared to face the crowd. Vishnupur is a small place and there are less good hotels, so if you are coming during the Mela, you will have to book 3 months in advance. We booked Saptarshi Hotel in Bakura, which is 40 minutes away from Vishnupur. Our first destination of the day is the temple, however, we are not allowed to photograph. Our second destination of the day is Ras Moncho Temple, a historical temple in Vishnupur and the oldest brick temple. It was established by King Hambir in 1600 AD. The upper structure looks like a pyramid, middle part resembles Bengali huts, and the lower part resembles the Islamic structure. The temple has one inner chamber housing the idols of Radha Krishna. We have now reached Madan Mohan Temple. Malla Raja Durjan Singh Dev established the temple in the name of Lord Madan Mohan in 1694 AD. The temple has a square flat roof with curved cornices and pinnacle over the top. The temple is made of mud and terracotta. The inner walls of the temple depict various scenes from the Hindu scriptures. Gar Darja. After crossing the small gate, there comes a gigantic gate that was the entrance of the Vishnupur royal kingdom. Gar Darja was made to protect the royals from the enemies. It has a huge terrace and secret chambers. Soldiers used to keep track of trespassers from the Gar and made surprise attacks to smash them. Lalji Temple of Vishnupur. This temple was built in 1658 AD by Birsingha II of Malla dynasty. It is built on a square raised plinth consisting of ornamental stucco decorations on low relief carvings. We have now reached Jor Bangla Temple of Keshtorai. Jor Bangla Temple was established by Malla King Raghunath Singh in 1655 AD. The temple is named as Jor Bangla because of its special Do Chala shape. The temple has its roof along with double-sided curved thatch known as porch and shrine respectively joined together. Radhesham Temple, located near Jor Bangla Temple, is one of the most popular temples to visit in Vishnupur. Dedicated to Lord Krishna, the temple was built during the reign of King Chaitanya Singha in 1758. The Radhesham Temple in Vishnupur is known for the terracotta style of architecture. The temple has a curved roof. Radhesham Temple is situated within a walled premise within a unique gateway structure. The front and the back surface of this gateway has terracotta carvings, mostly in the floral pattern. Visitors can get their entry tickets for all the Vishnupur temples from Rash Mancho, which we showed at the initial starting of the video. The Pancharatna Temple. The Pancharatna temple was built by King Raghunath Singh in 1643 AD and is popularly known as Panchachura temple as it owns 5 pinnacles. The middle shikhara is octagonal, whereas the other 4 are square, and the walls are beautifully curved with terracotta carvings depicting Lord Krishna's life. Terracotta is the characteristic of Vishnupur. Apart from the temples, terracotta pottery, artifacts, and even jewelry made in this very traditional material are famous all around the world. The most famous of them are the terracotta horses, elephants, Ganesha, and Nataraj.